Oh, what the? Oh, what the fuck? What? That's a little better. But anyways, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. I hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. I know I am. Why? Because we're getting closer and closer to finishing up with this car. Right now, I just went ahead. I wasn't recording. I didn't record anything, but I relocated the battery to the back. I ran all the wires through the side. I'll show a little bit of it. But then I ran the battery back here. There she is. Right there. So I ran the wire through, down through here, down through here, through here, through here, around, through over there, back through that corner back there, through right here. I gotta put the panels back through the side right here, and over there. And then to right here. So it finally connects in there. I just gotta tuck it up in there and it'll be good. Put shrink wrap with shrink tape just to secure it. But I mean, going good so far, no problems. I'm looking for a place. Well, I'm not looking for a place to put the negative. I already know where I'm gonna put the negative. I'm just looking for a bolt. I'm gonna put the negative. Here's the post. The negative's gonna go right there into that little hole. Just do the little screw in there holding it in. And then we got our amp and our air suspension wire. We're all gonna cut it down shorter, probably route it down through over here too as well, and then hook it up to the positive. But another thing is I might also be getting something like carpet, I don't know, some kind of car, like, you know, car carpet, and just try to run it and hide everything and make it look a little prettier. Do the back over here. But yeah, we'll see. We will see, because right now it's looking like a mess and it's looking pretty ugly. I need to make it a little prettier at least. But yeah. Alright, you guys, that is it. We are done. We're done with this. Look at this, clean. I mean, it looks cleaner actually. I kind of like wiped it down right now. I'm just gonna push these, a couple more of these. I can push that in there more. I got this one, I gotta push it in. But I mean, oh, you know what, let me just move it out the way for now. Put it right here for now, just so it can look the part. Look at that. And when I spray all this black, it'll kind of blend in. It'll blend in pretty good. But I mean, look, it looks better than what it did. More room. So now I gotta move these AC lines. This one, this one over here, they both run over there, and then I have to reroute them through the back down to here. But I mean, so far so good. Here's everything's tucked away. What is up, you guys? Fucking Chad here, you know. Benny can fucking fuck Benny, dude. This is Chad, bro. Fucking trying to catch some waves, bruh. Trying to catch some waves, bruh. Alright, you guys. So I finished up. I tidied up the car. I got it all like nice, situated, everything, like wires really in there now, you know. Set in stone. For as far as you guys saw, it looks clean. More space for more activities. More space for more activities.
With aerobics in here, so many activities.
So yeah, I mean, that's the really cool part about that. I'm hella excited. We're getting closer and closer. Hardware for the wheels is coming in. I got more parts coming in. We're only moments away from starting and driving away. And hitting some canyons, doing some ripperinos, hitting some canyons, hitting them S-curves, serving up Gapplebee's, you know what I mean? But anyways, yeah. Oh shit! Sorry, my camera fell. Sorry. had to pick up Jamie from Thought Daycare, because if not, fuck, man. We got Polly cooking up them glizzies. Can you do a dance for me? It's a TikTok term I learned. Oh, there you go. Loser. What is up, everybody? So what's going on? I am making stickers for this meet that we're going to tomorrow. We're gonna be selling stickers. These stickers are pretty dope. They're all Pokemon based stickers out of Chibi. They're Chibi Pokemons. That's what they're called. Let me show you guys a couple that we have right here. Look at these right here. Yeah, look at those. Look, let me get a light. We got these glitter looking ones. We got the holographic coming through. They're not PSAs, but Jamie's over here coming hard with the Terasukawas. Look at all these she's made, and then she's got way more over here. Right now we're a little hot mess. We're working hard. It's midnight. We've been going since forever. So hopefully let's show those off real quick. Show them off. Model them. No? Okay.
We're supposed to hang them off.
Oh, you're supposed to like do like the prices, right? You know, like. Okay. All right. Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. We are here at the Cars and Anime, and we selling. Jamie selling her Terasukawas. So this is our first time vending. We kind of came unprepared, but not really. Well, we kind of came unprepared in a way. We need to bring bigger lights next time. So this is the last of what we have sold right here. I got my stickers over here. They're selling, but definitely these were bangers. These were for sure bangers. This table was full of them. That's like, this is the last of it. This is the last of it. I know. We were gonna bring originally this table because we thought it was a table that extended. It didn't, and her friend came through with this table. It's a much bigger table. It worked out. It's really awesome. But here we go. This is like our booth. This is our first basically time vending at a thing. So it only goes up from here. So we got the bicycle.
My table alone for all my Terasukawas.
I know.
How embarrassing. We almost literally.
I know. We almost just had this table. Like this table only fits almost this. We only just had this table almost, which would have really sucked and been bad. Thank God he came through with this table. Shout out to him. This is his car over here. Stefan. Next time the S2000 will be out here for sure with it. But for now, it's waiting to get boosted. I did get the wheel hardware in, so this week we will be putting in wheel hardware. Excited about that. Here's all the vendors from this side. We still got more on that side. Over there. Cool. This is the lights we have right now, and then we're using our phone lights. This is the light we only have, and then we're using our phone lights. I have photography lights, but I just didn't think about it. So for next time, we'll be hella prepared, and it'll be better, way better. All right, you guys. Well, we finished up with the Cars and Anime. We had a very successful night. I am proud of Jamie and myself. We did a really good job. It was a very successful Cars and Anime vendor, and we might end up doing it again. We'll probably even do these at car shows eventually once everything goes back to normal, but for now, at car meets. Where's Paul? Oh, go.
Where are you going?
With you.
Oh.
Bah! I gotcha! I got him! Oh man. Okay, let's get it started. Let's get started in here. Run in, run in, run, 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 run in, run in, run in, run in, run in, run in, run in. All right, you guys, it's the day after Cars and Anime. We're gonna go celebrate. How are we gonna celebrate? By going to the 99-cent store. Alright, no, for real though, we had a very successful night. We want to thank everybody that went out, supported Cars and Anime, supported the vendors, bought out. If you guys purchased stuff from us, we want to thank you guys. Really appreciate it. It was really cool. It was really dope. Can't wait for the next one. We kind of took the day, but the grind starts tomorrow. You know, the grind starts tomorrow. We start all over again. It's a never-ending cycle. It's a circle. It's a circle. You know, it's not like a triangle, a square. It's a circle.
It's a circle.
That's kind of nice.
It's not like a triangle. Triangle has like a corner in the end. This one is a circle.
Okay.
Because it's a circle.
Yeah, we heard about the circle.
Yes, we're
Got it.
familiar with shapes.
Hey.
But yeah, we're ready. We ready. We ready. America. America. Fuck yeah. Oh. All right, you guys. As always, I forget to make the outro for some videos. Not all of them, but for some. But I'm gonna make the outro for this video. I'm gonna start a new video right now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate all the love and support. You know, all the people have DM'd us to get custom orders made and done. So we are going ahead and get those done. If you want your very own, go ahead and DM us. Also, if don't forget to go to the Meister shop, online shop, to get your shirt today. Type in the code Meister to get 10% off. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.